Okay, so say you have a different problem. You're not changing the cost of sales and things like we did in our last example. Instead, you need to change the quantity on hand. And if you look at where we've been working in this mass change, if you click quantity on hand, it grays out. And that means you can't change anything. But let's say we have these magnifying glasses, have one sent back to us. Maybe they're not selling well, or maybe we just need it in the office for an office supply. And rather than going out and buying another one that may or may not sell, then we'll just call that other one back from FBA. We spent our 50 cents to get it brought back, and now we need to get it out of our inventory, and it needs to be as if we bought it as an expense. And so instead of being able to do it here, we go to a different area, which may sound strange, but vendors. Vendors is where you do inventory activities. So you're buying stuff, and that must be why QuickBooks decided to put it under vendors. So adjust quantity or value on hand. We'll click that, and here you can do a couple of different adjustments. You can do quantity or the total value, or you can do both. We're going to do the quantity, okay? And we're going to choose our adjustment account, because we decided we're getting it in and we're going to use it as a magnifying glass in the office. So had we bought it originally, we would have put it in office supplies. And since we probably got it retail arbitrage and paid sales tax on it anyway, we don't have to worry about use tax in this situation. So we're going to come over here and we're going to find the product. It was the first one in our list. We're going to put a little check beside it, and you can put as many items as you need to change and then add the selected items. So here you have an adjustment form, and you had a quantity on hand of 3, and we are bringing 1 in. So if we had 3 and we take 1 away, that leaves us 2, and then enter, and it shows you the difference. So it went really fast, but it charged it to office supplies and took it out of our inventory. So let's go back and look at that. So we're going to save and close. Now if we come back and look at our inventory, it shows 2 for quantity on hand. We could go over to our chart of accounts and pull up our office supply account and see what it's showing in the supply expenses, $3.99. And it came from an inventory adjustment. There's the number. So if you need to go back and review it, there it is. All right.